Catch that?
Did you catch that?
Did you catch that, guys?
Did you catch that? Means, did you understand? You use this to ask if someone understood what you said.
Get back here!
Don't go.
Don't go means, please stay. You use this when you want someone to stay.
Can we go?
Given greater responsibility.
Can we go?
Can we go? Yo!
Can we go?
Can we go? Means, is it time to leave? You use this to ask if it's time to leave.
I can't wait to tell him. I know.
I can't wait to tell him.
Me too. I can't wait to tell him.
I can't wait to tell him. Means, I'm so excited. You use this when you're very excited to tell someone something.
Here are the keys.
There are the keys.
Here are the keys.
Here are the keys. Means, these are for you. You use this when you give someone the keys.